on, Zach. You can do it.
The noise. Make it.
If you want it really bad.
It'll happen. How do you make it?
Can I see it? Are you ready?
Mm-hmm. Ah, you suck.
Hold on.
You didn't do it. It was luck. I knew it. It's luck. It just kind of does it sometimes. Steven, make the noise.
Where's my button? Oh, there it is.
How? How?
Is the light supposed to do that?
I
Whatever.
think the batteries are dying.
No. Zach already killed the batteries.
Probably.
It's got 3 of those fucking watch batteries in it.
Nice.
Can I help you?
I want to do it.
Stop it.
Ah! It hates me now. Because I'm making fun of Zach.
I'll spoil every episode of Doctor Who for you if you don't.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, really fast.